Hey everyone, welcome back. I have had a little parcel. I did it in the nail art haul video a couple of videos back, and this is one of the packages that Madam Glam sent me. So we've got Touches of Gold, which is a gorgeous top coat with gold flakes in, Gold Emerald, Plum Addict, Purple Hero, Deep Sea Dream, I think the next one's called, Dream Diamonds, and then Deep Burgundy. So I mentioned in that haul that I hadn't had any messages from the lady that I speak to at Madam Glam to say that there was a package on the way. And then thank you to G's Nail Spot. I can't talk today. She let me know that it was the new mini February collection, so that's amazing. So I'm only going to use 5 out of the 7 that they sent me, and they're going to go on my hand. I'm going to have to use my left hand. So these are the colours that I've actually chose: Deep Sea Dream, Plum Addict, Touches of Gold, Purple Hero and Deep Emerald. I think they work quite well together. A bit unusual, but we will see what we can do. So I'm going to use that Plum Addict because it is such a gorgeous colour. Not very spring colours, but some people don't like bright colours on their nails, do they? So we have to cater for everyone, or try at least. I'm not a bright colour person either. This Plum Addict is just bloody gorgeous. I love it. It is so nice. And that Deep Sea Dream, it's like a peacocky teal colour and it's just beautiful. So I'm going to do, look how slow I am. I'm so slow. It's really tricky. Oh, look, I made a mess. I haven't done my other hand. I used to do it all the time before press-ons and gel extensions and stuff. I used to just paint straight onto my nails and I'd have to do my right hand with my left hand. So I was pretty good at it before, after the years of practice of doing it, and then I just stopped doing it. So if you're wondering if I have any tips or tricks or any advice, it's just practice. Just keep doing your non-dominant hand. Keep using your non-dominant hand and you will get better. You will. But that is after 2 coats and it is so beautiful. That's before it's cured as well. So nice. Right, so we've got the Deep Sea Dream, and this is where you will see what I mean by it's been a long time. So I'm going to try and attempt a French. And I think I did it a little bit too deep. Like the colour that I'm putting on, I think I put too much of that on. It's too high up the nail. And I ended up smudging it onto my other finger as well. So that's always fun. Oh, and guess what? So my mum was supposed to have her surgery on Thursday. The major open heart big operation. And she phoned me Wednesday afternoon to say that her COVID test had come back positive at the hospital. So she was sent home to isolate for 10 days. And she's been doing a test every day at home and it's coming back negative. So we've got to wait another 10 days for her to go in and get it done. It's just one thing after another for her at the minute. She doesn't seem to win. But we're going in with Purple Hero on the middle finger. Again, so slow. But it's such a pretty colour. It's like a pale, oh, you can see what colour it is, can't you? It's a pale purple. Not quite lilac. It is so pretty. And I'm only going to do the 1 coat because 1 coat cure it. I'm going to do a marble with the rest of the colours that I've put on my nails. So Deep Sea Dream in a line, Purple Hero, just add a little bit of it. What was this one? Plum Addict. Beautiful. My favourite out. Is it my favourite? I don't know. Deep Emerald. And then I thought, you know what, let's add a little bit of gold gel paint because I definitely want to use Touches of Gold, the top coat. And I wanted to add a little bit of gold into the marble as well. So I'm just dragging some lines so I'm not making that brush touch those gels that are on the palette. When I pick up the gel paint, it's quite stringy. I make sure I pick up a big blob. So it's like drooping off and then I just run it through, let it lie on there. grab a dotting tool and give it a little wiggle through, and I'm just going to put a little bit of blooming gel. Don't forget you can save 30% using my code LittleNailRoom30. It's in the top corner, and I'll leave a link down below where you can just click on that and it'll take you straight through to the website, and the code's already there when you check out. So you've put the blooming gel on, don't cure that because we need it quite wet. I've grabbed an ombre brush, Madam Glam's ombre brush, and I'm just going to, my plan was to do the whole nail in a marble, but I put this first bit on, and I was like, you know what, I actually really like that. I kept on looking at it going, do I like it? I really like it. Do I do more? No, I like it. So yeah, I left it like that. But the thing is with when you're doing a marble, you're putting so much product on, and if you go and put that in the lamp, you're either going to have uncured mess, you're going to have lumpiness. Just grab a lint-free wipe and just touch the sides and gently pull away. You're going to suck all of that extra gel off so that you're not going to have lumpy uncured mess on your nails. So Deep Emerald, is it called Deep Emerald? It is, isn't it? Yes, it is. This is going all over the ring finger. It's so dark and pigmented. So I've just done the very thinnest coat I could possibly do on my ring finger, and then I go in with a second coat once it's done. And then because I had such trouble with the first French on my pointer finger, index finger, I thought, why not try again the jelly stamper method? But that didn't work either. I slipped just there and it went far too high. Yeah, it's good for like putting that base on, I suppose, putting the sort of shape on that you want. I've never been really good at it, and I just prefer to draw. So even though it's blurry, I'll skip through it all. I'm just going to touch up those sides, make sure that it's the shape that I want, and then I'll get some alcohol on a brush, no, acetone on a brush, and clean it all up. And that is what we're left with so far. So I'm going to grab the gold gel paint. I'm going to line both of those Frenches, and we're going to use that Touches of Gold top coat to do the Plum Addict on the thumb and the Deep Emerald on the ring finger. So as of now, it is Saturday midday, and I think I checked and it was 992 subscribers. I want to hold a giveaway. I've been looking at websites and products that I want to add into my giveaway. It's looking very good, by the way. So once we reach 1,000 subscribers, that is going to be a video of what we're going to be giving away. And it's open to everyone as well. I'm going to make sure that it's open to pretty much the whole of the world. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do hit that button. It is very greatly appreciated. And if you know anyone that is interested in nails, or you think they'd be interested in what I do, send them over. We're more than happy to have them in our gang, aren't we? The more the merrier. But look at that Touches of Gold top coat. And it is a no wipe top coat as well. So there's no sticky residue or anything. So for the ones with the French, I've added a little bit of the Macquart's rhinestone glue gel to the cuticle area, and I've just put a couple. These are just from Shein as well, and I hardly ever use them. They are like an antique gold crystals, rhinestones. So I've put them around the cuticle, added a few caviar beads to go in all the little gaps in between the crystals, cured everything, top coated everything, put some cuticle oil on because it desperately needed it. And they're done, and I love them so much. Love them. Let me know which is your favourite nail, which is your favourite design. Have you got a favourite colour out of the collection? Oh, they're just so beautiful. I've swatched all of them, but I really want to use the Dream Diamonds because it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you want to see the swatches, I think I put them up on the haul video. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. You'll have to have a look. But thanks so much for watching, and I do hope you like this video. Drop me a comment on what you thought, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to use my code LittleNailRoom30 at madamglam.com. Everything will be linked down below in the description box anyway. And I'll see you next time. Bye.